Wanted to go over a few of the changes I made for the 2021 season coming up for Autocross. Big problem I had last year at the end of the season was the water pump was really starting to leak pretty bad back here. So in order to change it, you have to access this panel, so that means the motor has to come out, which luckily I had an LSD transmission to put in it, and kind of glad that all come together at the right time. I got lucky and found that one on the marketplace. Should help with my one wheel peel that I've gotten so good at. What else? Added a meth injection this year, mostly for cooling. I've had a big time problem with the cooling on this motor of the intake temps. Ended up tapping directly into the supercharger, hoping that what is it called, atomizes the mist better. When I had it before the throttle body, it just didn't seem like it mixed well. Never seemed like I got good results out of it. What else? I don't think I've made any changes to the front. It should be the same. I've been trying for a long time to find this little plastic piece that goes under the shifter here, right there. But the only way to get that is to buy a whole brand new shifter, and see that causes slop in the shifter. And luckily, some guys on the DF forum has come up with this solution here. This should make shifting a lot more crisp and hopefully a little bit more accurate, because I suck at shifting anyway, so I can use all the help I get. But they make an adapter for this that is probably going to come in a week or two. Should allow for it to be pretty much a direct bolt in. I haven't got to do hardly anything here lately because I had a heart cath done right here. You see my little bitty puncture. So a few more days and I can start working on this thing again. I did add some carbon fiber. See here, probably dropped about 600-700 pounds right there. Last thing, since some people, TJ, are getting so fast, I'm really having to step my game up a little bit, and so I've decided to try these out. Never used this type of tire before. It's supposed to be extremely sticky in the right conditions, which I'm hoping we have warmer weather pretty soon. But we'll see how they work out. They're not quite as wide. But they are more sticky. These are used, but barely used. Okay, well, there's the old setup here. That's everything. Hoping to have a good season. Everybody stay safe.